Good afternoon, and thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post Market Wrap-Up for Wednesday, January the 27th, 2016. March corn finished the day basically unchanged again today, down only a quarter of a cent at $3.69 1/4. We spent the day on both sides of unchanged all day long today, trying to test and get a close above that 371 resistance level that we've been challenging for about 4 or 5 days now. We feel like as we have run up against 371 to that 373 level and been able to continue to test it day after day, that the sellers that are there with orders are going to finally run dry, and we'll be able to actually move through that. If we get a close above 373, then a quicker move up to that 390 level is what we're expecting. March 16 soybeans were up 7.5 cents today, selling at $8.83. Got back above that $8.80 level that we talked about day before yesterday. We're looking for 3 to 4 days of closes above that level to potentially make a move to 9.15. Once again, we do want to remind you that it will be tough to get through the $9 even dollar level, as it always is a level of resistance to the top side. We closed above the 100-day moving average today, though, so if we can get some follow through tonight and into early morning, we could potentially move up a little bit in the March bean contract. July wheat was down 7 cents today, selling at $4.80. I believe it was $4.82 or so, $4.87. The biggest hurdle and the cause for that rundown today, we felt like, was the meeting that is scheduled for Friday with Russia, with the Deputy Prime Minister of Ag and officials to discuss the potential changes to the export tax on wheat, as it's obviously becoming apparent that they need to keep their wheat, their domestically grown wheat in that country to feed livestock, to feed their people, and are going to potentially run that export tax up a little bit to keep from losing that grain. Hey, thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post Market Wrap-Up. Hope you have a great rest of your Wednesday. We've got the Middle Tennessee Grain Conference tomorrow, so we may or may not have a video for you tomorrow afternoon, but we'll look forward to talking to you the next time.